Hey guys, it's me, Soso. Today I found a game, it's called Draw It. Some of you may be familiar with it. It's where the game gives you two different words. It says draw this or draw that. And then you have to draw it. It can be super sloppy, but the AI has to be able to guess it. So all the words that it gives you are super random, and I figured, why not take a couple and turn them into a drawing? I did not realize it didn't screen record what I was doing. But I do have the list of words that I was using. The list of words are pizza, windmill, mustache, broom, and t-shirt. I'm gonna admit I've had an easier prompt. However, I thought up of something. Very weird idea. Anyway, let's go see what I made. So you guys are probably wondering, what was my weird idea? Very simple, I think. So, there's a pizza delivery girl who works for a mustache pizza company, because I wanted to draw a mustache on a t-shirt of hers. You see, very smart thinking right there. Yeah, and she's delivering pizza to a windmill. And, I realized after I finished the drawing, I forgot the broom. So I just added a little broom last minute. It's okay. It's an okay broom. I could have done better, but, overall, the drawing looks pretty good. We finally finished. After so much work, hard work, determination, and skipping popcorn, we have a final piece. Windmill art. But seriously guys, I had so much fun making this. It's an idea I would never think of on my own. Anyway guys, that's all. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Also, you can find all my finished pieces and more on my Instagram. Go check me out on Soso Digital Art. Thanks for watching. Bye!